We have been developing methods of having unmanned surface vessels, USVs, sail autonomously in formation with other vessels. Using a small USV to carry out acoustic surveys in hard-to-reach areas has clear advantages over using a manned craft. A USV is easier to transport and deploy. One person can deploy and operate our USV. This is our USV sailing survey pattern. There is future scope to dynamically adjust the survey path based on live sonar data. If a USV is fitted with an identical sonar to a larger survey vessel, the same area can be surveyed almost twice as fast. You can use GPS antenna on both the USV and the mothership for formation sailing, but we are going to do this using only a camera on board the USV. This has many advantages, such as a lower electromagnetic signature. It will work in areas with poor GPS signal, and it is simpler to deploy. A neural net can determine the outline or the bounding box of a vessel. If the height of the camera above the water is known, the distance to the vessel can be determined geometrically by using the vessel waterline. This illustration shows how the approximate distance can be determined by using the height of the vessel and the angles to the top and bottom of the vessel, both of which can be deduced from the bounding box. The height of the vessel can either be known beforehand, or a neural net can be used to recognize an individual vessel. To test our methods in a simulation and create synthetic training data, we need to create a simulation environment, duplicate the motion and control of the vessel, and simulate the characteristics of the camera on our USV. To do this, we first collect telemetry data from the USV. We then calibrate the camera in order to replicate its distortion characteristics. The simulation environment used here is a gazebo. We can include other birds moving around. The real-life camera distortion, focal length and resolution is recreated. The USV's pitching motion and acceleration characteristics are also recreated. Once a boat is detected, the pilot can command the USV to follow it by pressing on a button on the Xbox controller. The USV will then aim to maintain a set distance aft and starboard or port from the target boat. On the left, you can see a view from above the target vessel as it sails a survey pattern. As long as the target vessel remains in view of the camera, the USV is able to maintain tracking. Cameras to the side should enable it to sail side by side with the other vessel. The next step in this project will be to test the system in real life.